Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Sarveshwar and today I'm going to describe how to use VLOOKUP function in R for matching the timestamps in high frequency data. Suppose but for that purpose we need to have certain packages. These packages are high frequency package, XTS package, Zoo package, Quant mode and LibreDate. These are the packages. Those simplify our task. You simply attach these packages. Then suppose I have one spot file. This is my for Z Limited in India for NSE market Nifty. This is my file. This is the data I can see here. I just want to show you. This is the data from 2nd January 2012 to 31st December 2014. It means it is 3 years data of 5 minutes from 9:20 to 3:30. It means this is the data and it includes uh, 55,113 observations. This is not very bulky data, but for 3 years 5 minute data you are having here. You can have per second data also, per minute data also here. Then in the same, this is our spot data. Similarly, you are having futures data. Futures data you are having for the same duration, and the length is 52,420 424. It means this is a difference of I can see here almost 3,000. Here the difference is 3,000. In sport market we are having 55,000 observation. Here we can see also 55,000 and here it is 52,000. 3,000 observations are non-matching. In futures market sometimes the trade doesn't occur. Therefore, we need to match the data. We need to have the data which is common. In the literature, the time interval where there is no trade are removed generally. So therefore, I need to match the common data. For that purpose, we are having a command XTS, merge XTS command. For these XTS, these files are XTS files. So I'm just going to match them by using merge XTS command, and I'm merging Z limited spot and Z limited future. Z limited spot file, Z limited futures file, and I am putting just to join them inner. Inner means we are combining only common observations based on the index. Here we can see this is the value that is index. Time stamp here is index. Just I am matching base to index only common observations. So I am just running this command merge.xts, and now we can see the head of the file. This is for the same duration, and now the number of observations is 52,343. This is these are the number of observations. Those are matching in both the files. So this is very easy friends, and it saves a lot of time. Suppose we are having per minute data, it becomes almost 3 lakh observations per annum. In that case it is very easy and very time saving. Thanks for watching friends. If you have any query, please write to me.